You know I'm still recording.
Oh no,
It's like you be like this. I be like, come on, dog, don't do me like that.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Don Don. You know I'm about to make a little video. Today what we got here, we're gonna make a Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich. Sound good though, right? But before we get started, let me tell you what you gotta do first. So what you wanna do is with the chicken, you wanna kinda marinate it a little bit. What best thing to do is get buttermilk and just have it soaked in just enough to cover up the chicken and just toss it in the refrigerator. It'll be good about a day or so. What I'm gonna do is throw that bad boy up there. Cut it in half, and since you know kind of broke over here, don't have a tenderizer, gotta use this, you know, or I can just like beat it up. You know, imagine like you're like that dude that you don't like, you keep on like liking your girl's Instagram page. Like, yeah, what's good, homie? What's good, son? Here comes the fun part. What you gotta do is, what you always gotta do with chicken, gotta season it. Nice little pan right here, that's enough to put the seasons and the chicken in. What I season my chicken with is, let's see it up in here. So we don't have any paprika, which I love, but I gotta use this to improvise. And if you want the full recipe, just always just go on my website. I'll put in a link below. So just like dibble dabble with a tenderizer, some of that. Seasonal salt, seasonal salt. Let me say it right first. A little bit of that. Pepper, a little bit of olive oil, vegetable oil, wherever y'all got. Pour it in there. Just enough to coat it. Then what I also like to do is add some hot sauce to it. Just like that. And let's mix that joint in. Add your chicken to it. Mix that bad boy in. Alright. Now while I got that chicken sitting and waiting for the season, what I gotta do is gotta pull up my pan for cook up the chicken in. That's a good amount like that. Get the pan on nice and hot. But while we're waiting for that to get on heated, best thing to go ahead and do when you're making fried chicken, you gotta bread it. I'm gonna give y'all a nice little tip. A little tip that helps me out. Basically, you want one hand for the egg wash and the other hand for the flour. The tip, double dip. And you probably think like, Don, why would we double dip? Nobody likes double dippers. Well, that's true, but when you make a chicken, double dip. All right, let me go ahead and finish this up, but when I get done with this, we get right back to the cooking pan. All right, now welcome back. And so, really.
What?
Ready.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, anyway, what you had, well, I just got done with this and I got my pan nice and hot. We can see it was smoking, so I had to turn it down for I won't burn it. So basically, the little trick is, let me get this nice little piece. Watch out. Y'all, get two in there. Thing is, you don't want to cook the breading too fast. You want the chicken to cook, but you don't want to burn the bread with the breading of it. Alright, so basically, because it's really cooking, so you can see it's kind of cooking really fast. That's what says turn on the heat. So you see that color? That's kind of how something you want it a little bit. There we go. Because it's cooking really fast, we're trying to heat down a little bit. So basically what you want to do is you want it like a golden brown color. Basically, you know, since I forgot to go to the store and get some buffalo sauce, what you gotta do, you gotta make it homemade. So basically, if you know or didn't know, one thing that buffalo sauce is, it is butter, and hot sauce. Simple as that. All right, so basically, that's what it looked like when you double dip and everything. Oh, to see how I got that nice little color to it, golden brown, the crust is really crust up there. And you see here, only reason why this is like this It's because for one, I kept on playing with it when I was trying to see if it was cooked or not, and for two, when it was cooking, I kept on flipping and the crust started fly off apart. If you just basically just let the chicken do its thing, it will just turn out like this. So basically, like I said, with the buffalo sauce, try to get my pan nice and hot. So right now, I'm gonna put the butter in. I like to toss a little bit of crushed red pepper, get some heat. Put the hot sauce in it. Spread that junk around. Basically, this one. Skin. If you kind of look right here, you kind of see it giving that color with buffalo sauce in it. I don't know if you can see it or not. So just spread it around. Like yada. Flip. There we go. Probably can't really tell, but it do get that nice little color to it, like buffalo sauce. But ideally, you will like to put more hot sauce than I did, but I had to work what I have. This is what you get right here. Yeah, I'll show when we played it. All right, so basically, you got a nice little chicken sandwich here, nice, and here's the ranch on top of it. Like that. You can put a little bit more, it's all your preference. I didn't just want to soak up the chicken and only use this Texas ranch. So that's a nice little lunch meal right there for you. You know, the best part of this whole thing right here. You know how to tackle this joint right here. Alright, this. That's good. Oh. But there we go. Thank you for watching my video, guys. You know, that's lit. Hit like, subscribe, and also check out my website too if you want to go and do that. If you want a full recipe. So you already know I'm gonna tear this junk up, but just stay in tune to my next videos. Yeah, have a blessed day, y'all.
They've been wanting me to fall, but I know I can't, no I can't, no. Still holding this dream, can't let go. Cause I got faith in the way, putting God first, anything that I face. I done leveled up, I'm on level 3. Is this the last level that I'm gon' see? I can't even play no more, I can't even play no more. No, I can't even play no more, play no more. I can't even play no more. They ain't going hard as I go, hard as I go. They ain't going hard as I go. I can't even play no more, play no more. I can't even play no more.